started as one, then we drifted, separated as continents that shifted. All the pieces fit, can't you see the togetherness, visionary Pangea? We started as one, then we drifted, separated as continents that shifted. All the pieces fit, can't you see the togetherness, visionary Pangea?
It all began together, before we ever ran together, before we ever took a stand together. We understand that whether or not we tether or not for humanity, we must stand to weather the hatred, separation. It's easier to make than break it. We're breaking stereotypes with the yes y'all on the mic. Get yourself right, we're not all alike, but fall right into place, face adversity. Appreciate diversity, nursery to university, pass any degree, see universally. Disperse in the verse commercially or underground. One love bound by culture and sound. Been around the world and no denying we're all under the same sun, so keep shining.
The planet's so small with all the origins. Whichever one you're in, we get the light pouring in. We pass segregation with unification. Savages invading civilizations. Riddle the nation with belittlement. We lived off without aviation. We're only divided by distance. It's an honor, this is outstanding. An 8-year flight came in for the landing. We spread all over the map.
Peter Coppin, I mix it, hit you with the lyrical style, cause my flow is liquid, like Snake off of Metal Gear. When I'm on the microphone, I like E-Honda when I hit you in the chest with hands moving faster than Dick Dastardly, melon on the microphone. Yeah, you see the brother skating, he got on the red scarf. When I'm on the microphone, I'm like Darth Vader. When I relate the words to you, the lyrical integrator, I come at you, it was nice out the diaper. They call me a viper.
So I'm a little bit of hip-hop with hop hope. My flows are so sick, rhymes I drop dope, so everybody knows I'm bionic. Flows will get you high, my lyrics are narcotics. Ain't nobody know my lyrics declare. I'm like immigration, I come through and declare. If you ever see me when I bust them, more like Grant Lee Adams, you better declare me at the custom now. This is a custom, lyrics I rhyme, I'm a skater. Kick flip words and stay on my grind. You never seen MCs or bust on my time. Tony Hawk is on my verb with my lyrical lines. Yeah, ain't nobody here pulling. Some rocker got your girl manualing on the trucks like she's Ed Mullen. Never seen my flows, how you know I play her? I got the band with my flow like a Margarera.
what's your name?
Rashida.
How did you enjoy the event?
It was good. I was one of the first people here since 9 o'clock. It was really entertaining, and I think it's good for everyone to get a chance to practice. I think Barbados has a skate park. Everybody enjoys it.
It's a good turnout, and everything was excellent.
The event is great. It's fun-filling. It's for anybody who likes skating to come on and just enjoy itself, see what the skaters can do.
Hoping to go pro sometime, but you can see me next year if you come next year, for sure.
It turned out to be pretty cool today. It was very good, although it's the second invitational skate contest from the Movement Skate team. Everyone skated really good today, despite the sun was really hot.
I had a really good time because I didn't even think that us, the guys who we came out here with, I didn't even think we would get that far. But I really had a good time, and I think that it should continue because it's a really positive thing, and I like it.
Everyone did well. Everyone did their best, going to the finals. Skated solid, did everything they could, and it's a fun day.
Hi, what's your name?
Justin DeVitte.
Matthew Stallmeyer.
And where all guys are from?
Trinidad and Tobago.
That place.
How would you rate the event? How was it?
How would I rate the event? Honestly, today, like, defied expectations, you know, like 10 and up, best.
Well, I can't rate it. I mean, does Infinity count? Infinity out of 10, it was amazing. The standard is ridiculously high. Everyone brought it, everyone killed it in the hot sun. Even the rain, after getting rained out twice, we came back out. It was amazing. It was incredible. Incredible.
I kind of speechless. I don't know what to say. Like, parents came out, tourists came out. It was overall a great success for sure.
And what is your part in the skateboarding movement?
The Musqueam grandfather, but I know I just here to like keep skating alive because the person that teach me to skateboard, if not be here, won't be here. So I just trying to keep the vibe alive and keep kids skating. Because the more they skate, the less trouble they get in. You know what I mean? It keep me out of trouble.
My name is Michael Elcott. One of the team managers for Movement Skate team. I just want to say today was a great day. I hope everyone had a blast. I got to give a big shout out to the sponsors, East Square Ventures, Movement Skate Team, Everyone Skate Team, At Will Skateboards, Cartel Skateboards, Barrels and Bearings, Shafet, Cobian, Adrenaline Sun, this is Malachi of course. And thanks to all these spectators that came out. It's been a great day.
Yeah, well, we high school DJs, we've been doing this now since we were like, since I was 12 years old, you know, so that's like 21 years ago or so, right? But you know, we do DJing, and the guys told us that they were putting on this event today, and we decided to come out and support, you know. You guys didn't really work with much resources, but we know that it's a good thing, it's a positive thing, so we just decided to come out and help out, bring all the equipment that we thought was necessary for the event, and everything came off well.